চলো। চলো চলো চলো।
Growing up in this day and age, with free expressions, all this age, our young ones learn when starting school that reading's fun and maths is cool. While writing, not the least bit soaring, it is really so much like drawing. For every child, it is essential to realize their full potential.
And teachers always do their best to stimulate their interest when years of school days and at last, with all examinations passed, will the children reminisce and say, our school days we will miss, and as the final day arrives, they were the best day of our lives.
शिक्षकों की है यहाँ भरमार, हर रोज कुछ अलग बताते, नहीं सुनने पर इनकी पड़ती थी वो प्यारी डांट। एक के बाद एक शिक्षकों का आना, कुछ अलग विषयों का बताना। कोई शिक्षक लगता प्यारा तो कोई प्यार करता बच्चों को खूब सारा। हर किसी की जिंदगी यहाँ संवरती,
हर किसी को सही रास्ता बतलाता, एक बार आने के बाद जिसे कोई भूल नहीं पाता। ऐसा है मेरा प्यारा विद्यालय।
शिक्षक हमें मैथ समझाते, फिर हम आपस में खूब दिमाग लड़ाते। विज्ञान का ज्ञान हमें दिया जाता, फिर कभी हम जादूगर बन जाते। अपना पर्यावरण है कितना प्यारा।
यह हमें शिक्षक बताते, फिर कभी हम मिलकर चित्रकारी भी करते। कभी उल्लंघन ना कोई करता, मंदिर स्वरूप है यह कहलाया। आखिर इसने हम सभी की जिंदगी को जो संवारा। ज्ञान का भंडार है जहाँ, इससे बेहतर जगह है कहाँ। गुरुओं का साथ है यहाँ, मेरे विद्यालय से बेहतर विद्यालय है कहाँ।
Seeds planted in the soil neither grow nor develop without a bit of toil. In the same way, the growth of Shri Kavartara Public High Secondary School is incomplete without the toil of management, staff, parents and students. These four have been acting as the pillars of institution.
On behalf of Shri Kavartara fraternity, extend balmy greetings and hearty welcome to Honorable Chief Guest, all the dignitaries and all the parents on this propitious occasion of annual celebration 2022-23. How lovely is this day, and so does the ambience and aura surrounding it soon. The colors of merriment will unfold and will transport us to another world.
स्वागतम 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 स्वागतम। आप आए यहाँ मेहरबानी करम। यूँ लगा मानो चंदन महकने लगा, यूँ लगा मानो आलम चहकने लगा, यूँ लगा नेमित सब मेहरबान है, यूँ लगा मानो गुलकंद घुलने लगा। जो पढ़े आपके मुबारक कदम, स्वागतम 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 स्वागतम।
दीप बनकर जले हम सभी के हृदय, पुष्प से खिल उठे हम सभी के हृदय। नए अनुराग में कुछ सूझता नहीं, कैसे स्वागत करें मान्यवर आपका, आपकी एक झलक से उपकृत नयन। स्वागतम स्वागतम स्वागतम।
अब चिरागों को जलने दो, आंगन के अंधकार को हरने दो। मन का मन क्यों टूट गया है, प्राण बुद्धि से प्रबुद्ध होने दो। अब चिरागों को जलने दो, अब चिरागों को जलने दो।
वक्त के हाथ है दीपक साथी, मेरे ऊर की रूखी बाती। जीवन का पल पल शुद्ध होने दो, अब चिरागों को जलने दो, अब चिरागों को जलने दो। देखो तो इस जलने में भी पवित्रता की आभा है, नीच प्रकृति की अंकुश है, नहीं और कोई बाधा है। अब चिरागों को जलने दो, अब चिरागों को जलने दो।
God has the perfect timing, never early, never late. It takes a little patience and a lot of faith, but is worth the wait. Light the lamp of love in your heart, the lamp of abundance in your home, the lamp of knowledge to dispel the darkness of ignorance, and the lamp of gratitude for the abundance that the divine has bestowed on us.
सरस्वती माँ शत प्रणाम, घट में भर दे ऐसा ज्ञान, करे दे सेवा का काम, पढ़ लिख कर हम पाए मान।
हे माँ हमको शक्ति दे, जन सेवा की भक्ति दे, नेक बने यह युक्ति दे, जात पात से मुक्ति दे।
शिक्षा की सब ज्योति जलाएं, अनपढ़ को हम गले लगाएं, समता का सब साथ निभाएं, जो सोए हैं उन्हें जगाएं।
शिक्षा की यह फूली फलवारी, दुनिया में हो साख हमारी, रक्षित होंगे सब नर नारी, दो मैया आशीष तुम्हारा।
It is a mark of undying tradition to invoke the Almighty at the beginning of every paramount event.
For the same, I would like to call all the esteemed dignitaries for benedictions of supreme power. Please, sir, please, ma'am. थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू मैम। स्वीकृत आमंत्रण किया, रखा हमारा मान, कैसे करे कृतज्ञता, स्वागत है श्रीमान। अर्पित श्रीमान आपको चंद सुवासित फूल, क्षमा आप करना हमें हो जाए जो भूल। सूरज जैसे आप है, हम है दीपक तुच्छ, क्या अर्पित तुम्हें करे भेंट लाए कुछ फूल।
बहुआयामी आप है, बहुआयामी काज, पाकर अपने बीच में पुलकित है हम आज। सुलभ नहीं होते सदा ऐसे भव्य अध्यक्ष, आयोजन सार्थक होता है लक्ष्य। मुख्य अतिथि ऐसे कहाँ सबका है उपलब्ध, मुझे तो ये सारी फिजा बदल गया प्रारंभ।
संजय था कि आएंगे चर्चित व्यक्ति आप, देख सरलता दंग है इसीलिए विख्यात। रोटी तुंदल थाल में श्रीफल लिया सजाए, स्वागत को श्रीमान के भेंट दूषा लाए। दिव्य हुआ पंडाल यह, दिव्य हुआ मंच, दिव्य दिवस हो गया आए जो श्रीमंत। जन समूह की मुग्धता छुपाए न छुपी जाए, चंद शब्द मुखन से सुनने को अकलाए। आप ही आप है चर्चा में हर ओर, अनुपम यश है आपका कोई और न जोर। कथन वतन से प्रीति कर जो मुखरित हो संत, धन्य सभा सद हो गए धन्य हो गया मंच।
सफल हो यह कार्यक्रम सफल निहित उद्देश्य, आप सभापति मिल गए पोषित हृदय स्नेह। गुणकारी सोहबत मिली गुणकारी उपदेश, आभारी हम आपके आए श्री विशेष।
So, before following the extravaganza, let us have the tradition of honoring the gracious personalities who attended our program. Now, I would like to invite Mrs. Rekha Goyal, ma'am. Please, ma'am.
I take an opportunity to invite respected Chairman Sir, Honorable Pramod Chaudhary Sir, to welcome our dignified Chief Guest, Mr. Kamal Sharma, the Head Allen Career Institute, Indore. He is the Central Head Allen Career Institute, Kota, Center MP, an IITian from Kanpur of physics expertise and a renowned faculty. Founded Records Point for a competitive exam, JEE Mains, Advanced and NEET. Also Director of Rankers International School, Indore. Under his leadership, Allen Indore has reached the greater heights, also provided national ranks under his efficient guidance. We are extremely elated to have you here, sir. Now I feel profile to call dignified Jyoti Chajan ma'am to offer a floral welcome to respected Kapil Betsare sir. He is the center head of Allen Career Institute, Kota, Center MP, gold medalist in chemistry, a renowned faculty of chemistry in Central India, also director of Rankers International School, Indore, teaching and mentoring JEE and NEET aspirants, a great philosopher and generous by heart. We wholeheartedly welcome you, sir. Now I proudly invite our dignified Pranjal sir to honor Mr. Vishal Kejriwal with a bouquet. Sir is the head of PNCF Allen Career Institute, Kota, Center, Indore. He has a wide range of understanding of adolescence and has worked for the NTSC aspirants. He is the person who has given the highest number of selections in NTSC in the MP state in 2021. We are honored to have you amongst us, sir. Now I request respected Pratinav Chajit sir to welcome esteemed guest of honor, Mr. Shubham Jaiswal sir, the airport terminal manager Indore and an alumni. He is 2012 batch student of Sheikh Avartara Public Higher Secondary School. Graduated in mechanical engineer from Acropolis College Indore. In 2019, he cleared the exam of the post of junior engineer in Indian Railways. This year, he qualified for the multiple ministerial posts through SSC and CGL exam. Finally, cleared the exam for officer's post in Airport Authority of India and currently working as airport terminal manager at Indore Airport. During the shift, he manages the entire operations of the terminal building, which includes the issuing entry passes, coordination with administration, police department, and municipal corporation. We are feel delighted that, sir, you are amongst us. Now I take a privilege to call upon esteemed Principal Yogesh Joshi, sir, to welcome Honorable Dishank Wadhwani, sir. He is an alumni of 2012 of Sheikh Avartara Public Higher Secondary School. He completed his BCom from DAVB and kept preparing for CA. In the year he cleared the CA, during articleship he worked with NRK Zoom builders and developers, Mathurawala Group, etc. Also did multiple audits for Bank of India. At present, he owns his own consultancy at Indore and he is associated with many gigantic companies. We feel proud to have you amongst us, sir. It's great privilege to seek a glorious welcome to the chairperson, Pramod Chajit, sir. For the same, I would like to call upon respected HM Jyoti Vyas, ma'am, to offer him bouquet. Mr. Pramod Chajit, the chairman of Sheikh Avartara Charitable Trust, civil engineer from GSITS, working in real estate, is a colonizer in MDL, Barwa and Kasrawat. He is the owner of the educational institutions in Mandleshwar and Kare. In spite of all these, he is a very kind, humble and down-to-the-earth person. Now I would like to call upon respected Abhijit Doshi, sir, for the hospitable welcome to philanthropist chairperson Jyoti Chajit, ma'am. The most hospitable duchess and a charming chairperson of Sheikh Avartara Trust, Mrs. Jyoti Chajit. She hails from Neemuch, post-graduated in philosophy, a progressive educator, a philanthropist who is always ready to take a step forward for humanity. She is a perfectionist, humble and down-to-earth persona. Her advice and willingness of generosity is inexplicable. Above all, she holds her name in the Guinness Book of World Record for getting done 108 knee transplantation. This is really a matter of great honor for all of us. We are feeling proud to have you amongst us after such a long time, ma'am. We wholeheartedly welcome you. Now I would like to request our Senior Coordinator, Honorable Doshi, sir. I'm sorry. Now I would like to request Mohan Padidar, sir, to welcome the esteemed CEO, Mr. Pranjal, sir. The CEO, Mr. Pranjal Chajit, is an MBA in marketing from New Jersey. He has been awarded for the best project for information technology. He also is associated with the Texture Consultancy Private Limited, Ahmedabad. Reduced 10% cost for Dexter prototype ERP implementation, and also worked as senior research associate and recruited training to many MBAs. It's really a great matter for all of us to see you here amongst us. Now let us show our respect by honoring a hospitable welcome to dignified Mr. Pranav Chajit, sir. And for the same, I would like to call Honorable Rahul Golwalkar, sir, to welcome him. Sir is an engineer from BITS, Dubai, and mechanical. At present, he is into family business of real estate. Now I would like to call upon respected Vasha Sisodia ma'am to present a hearty welcome to hospitable Kamya Chhajed ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Now I would like to call upon respected Mr. Rahul Rajput sir to honor a warm welcome to Mr. S.K. Mishra, Principal Shri Kavartara College, Mandleshwar. Thank you so much, sir. Now I would like to call upon dignified HM ma'am to welcome Honorable Mr. Rahul Goyal, Principal Global Concept, Karai. Now I request Honorable Principal sir to offer welcome to Parihar sir. Thank you so much.